Alright, what's up, y'all? We're back with another Scary Baboon video. I got really bad news. Today my dog died at like 10 in the morning about. So right now it's 12. So we just like buried him and everything. But since I love y'all guys, I'm still gonna make a video. So yeah, make sure to join us. I'm not sure what we're doing that, but we're building him again like we did last video. Anyways, yeah, let's get started. Wait, Chase, where are you? What should we do? What should we do? Yo, I'm cooked. Alright, I don't know what to do. Oh yeah, you can just do it. Come here, monkey, monkey, monka, monkey. What the fuck? Oh my god. Oh my god. I died, so. Bazara. Okay, okay. Let's get a. Wait, Chase, where did you go? Oh. What the hell is this boombox going? Where'd you get this? Wait, where? No, I literally killed him. Another day, another victory for the OGs, taking on the SWATs. Ah, yeah. Okay, bro, I have a conversation with bro. What the fuck? Dicky, my mama. Dicky. Good. Oh, yes. My bad, guys, if I don't talk. Not really in the best mood, but I will post content for y'all. So dedicated I am. So yeah. Oh yeah, you know Edmund X? That's what your name reminds me of. It's Chase Mindex though. Tread VR. Yeah, bro, my dog dying is like a canon event. I wouldn't wish that on my worst enemies. But damn it happened, so. Yeah, right there. What in the fuck? Ross. I swear Granny VR is a thing though. Ugh. Here, let me find it actually. Hold on, guys. Let me find Granny VR. Oh, it costs money. It's $3. Yeah, never mind. I could have sworn we would have paid it for free, but I guess not. Oh my god! Leave. Ha! Leave. Namusar manindi habiri harabura biriari. My god. I was looking for a job and I found. Hawas. It's not Hawas. Where did Edmund Chase go? It's yours. Please, Steve, Uncle, come, pardon. Yes, yeah.